One of the biggest things that's been bothering me about this E21 320i is this original locking / trim strip for the windshield. It's supposed to be chrome, but it is long since yellowed out. So I, as you can see, have been fitting a replacement one. And you see I don't have it fitted all the way across. I'm gonna have to cut it to length. I've got the part number right over here. And this might be the sunroof seal, come to think of it. Nope, that's the sunroof seal. These are the trim strips. Now, they only sell the front windscreen trim strip. They do not sell the rear strip. You can see how it's nice and chromed again. Got these two corner pieces, and I just took the front windscreen piece, which is one piece, and cut it to fit. There's enough length. Had about a foot left over. And you can just see how much visually better this is. But also, I'll get this so it doesn't hit the paint. I just wanted to say, pull it out only a little at a time. I did not remove the whole old trim piece. And then this, it's gonna be hard to do one-handed, but you grab one hand, and you can see this piece isn't stuck there, and you're gonna need a little tool, just to kind of pull it out. You can get it with your fingernail for a little one like that. And then you literally just put it in 1/4 of an inch at a time. Push down on one side, twist it under, push down on the other side, twist it under, push down on this side, twist it under, and just 1/4 inch at a time on each side, you can get it up under. And that's all you gotta do. And then I'm gonna bring it all the way over here, re-verify that this trim piece is centered. You can see this seam in the rubber. And then cut it to length so I can slide it up under there and push the rest in. And that's all there is to replacing that, and it makes just a huge difference in what the car looks like. Instead of being all worn out and gray, it is shiny and chrome like it should be.